Hello, my everyone. In this today, I will in this my videos I'm to show you my tutorial how to connect to the data sensor to MySQL database and like the first step, create the database and create a new database, and I'm to give a name of a database. I'm give a name of database Sadi Tugas, and okay, added to database name. Yes, and I'm to create the new query, and I'm to added to my query for create the table in database, and create table, and I'm to uh, editing of the name table, and in the column of the table I'm to create the tanggal and type data of the that time and suhu, type data float and kelembapan type data float, uh, suhu for a different temperature sensor, uh, and kelembapan for define to humidity value, and I'm click in Sadi uh, Gas 5, and I'm click the table in new query. I'm to select to my database, and I'm to execute command complex success, refresh, and table to finish the create the table of the Sadi Tugas 5, and to the next step I'm uh, create the login security, and I click security, and I create the new login, and I am to give a name of login login name, and I'm to default authentication. I'm select to SQL authentication, and I'm to uh, added to new password, and confirm the password, and enforce a password expiration, and I uncheck, and enforce the password policy, and I'm to setting server roles. I'm to check DB creator, and in user mapping I'm to select to my database Sahadi 5 tugas 5, and in database role membership I'm select to DB data reader and data reader for reading data and writing data. Okay, and the next step, uh, table the success the create of the table, and the next step I'm to create the file UDL. I'm create new and I'm select to the text document, and I am give a name of a text document and give a Sahadi tugas file, and format of document I'm edit to txt to UDL. Enter, and I'm select to yes. Uh, in SQL Server Management Studio, I'm to click server name, uh, connect to, and I'm a copy of a server name, and I'm a paste in UDL, and in in select to the database on the server, I'm select to my database, the Sadi tugas 5, and I'm to test connection. Yes, the connection success. And okay, next, often the lab view program, I'm to I'm have to the example program, and I'm to editing the db tools for reading and execute, and or often to write to a database, MySQL, and to debit editing debit tools uh, execute execute query, and I'm added to debit tools close, and db tools open, and I'm to editing to convert number data to string. I'm to number to string function. Okay, copy and faster, and I'm to editing to content net string to uh, convert to string, in input one. I'm to create the constant, and I'm to uh, edit the label, uh, insert into the uh, dbo dot uh, my my table name of the table dbo sahadi underscore tugas 5, and and I'm to giving of values for convert to data string, and I'm to connect to in info 2. I'm connect to math pattern After substring for DB tools that time, and I'm to string, and I'm creating to constant, and in input fourth, I'm connect to string decimal, and in number I'm to convert to number temperature, editing to convert to string, connect to decimal in input. Okay. And in session of the input, I'm to uh, constant, and I'm to connect to uh, DB execute in from a concatenate string and connect to SQL query, and connection reference and connects to DB tools open, and connection in I'm to create the control uh, for editing to pile of the UDL, and I'm connect to reference connecting to DB close. Finish, and I'm to take what the data the to write to SQL database. I'm to connect to my hardware, and I'm to run the program, and I'm select to file UDL. Okay, and I'm run. Why? Oh, error. Nothing to connect to my hardware. Okay, I'm close to my program. Uh, I'm set, and I'm to close the lab view, and I'm to open open my lab the lab view, loading. Okay. Oh, and I'm open my file, and I'm to connect to port, and I'm to select to my file UDL. Okay, run the program. Why nothing to respond? Okay, the time to in a block diagram lab view uh, data in LabVIEW success right to DB tools, and I am to check the SQL server. Yes, data reading in uh, SQL server management, and in LabVIEW data the read to SQL database. In In SQL database, tanggal to define to date and time, suhu to define to the values of the temperature, and kelembapan to define the values of humidity. Okay, successfully of the how to connection to writing to data sensor the value of the data sensor from hardware ESP32 and interfacing of the LabVIEW programming to write in SQL Server database. Thank you very much for attention. And to thank you very much. Don't forget to like my videos. Thank you.